Hi, welcome to the course on the brackets editor, and this is the perfect resource for web developers. This course will introduce you to using brackets as a code editor in order to write code, also explore how you can customize and see some of the amazing features that come with brackets. Brackets is an open source text editor. It's an Adobe product. It's an excellent resource. It's also free to use, so it's commonly used by web developers, and I use it in a number of the courses when I'm presenting how to code courses. The upcoming lessons are going to walk you through how to set up brackets and see some of the features that brackets has to offer. There's also a bonus PDF guide filled with examples, resources, and links in order for you to customize your coding environment. It's taught by an instructor with over 19 years of web development experience, ready to help you learn. I often get asked by students to help to view some of the features of what brackets has to offer. So if you're one of those students, this is the course for you. Learn more about brackets and get started with it today.